To the idiot here. Jesus Christ, woman driver the worst blood clot driver them. I swear. Me say why everybody else a cuss woman driver. Like where the fuck were you turning into? How? Breathe, bitch. She didn't hit us. That's the most important part. Look at the bigger picture. She could have, but she didn't. But the internet street sticky out here to blood clots. The internet street sticky out here every day. You know, so you don't need cable in the Jamaican community. You don't need cable. You don't need Netflix. You don't need none of that shit. I think I'm going to go over TikTok for a little bit. You don't need... You don't stop paying cable bill if you live in the Jamaican community or you have a TikTok. Because it make no sense. The things that is going on right now. What's up, Chipper? You can't make this blood clot up. You can't make them something up. Right now, Blam Dem and Pretty than a keep. And Nikki, it don't look good for you neither. Can I say it yesterday, you know? Blam Dem are going with fuckery. You should have come up and tell Blam Dem to cut the fuckery out. That's what you should have done. No, Pretty than I said, it looked like you was trying to pay her off. Because you know she was going to get Blam Dem in trouble. Remember, good enough, now she said she have text me. Look, Nicki Minaj, you don't say you careless, though. But I'm gonna lie. Nikki, you careless, no blood clot. But I'm gonna lie. How you manage to get in at this, though? Me need to watch it, you know. Because I tell you, say, one thing about Jamaican people. Them are going to mix in a blood clot bangarang when you're too enough. Yeah, man. Me not gonna lie. Me not gonna lie, Nicki Minaj, you careless too. You careless with that one. You can't. Me a type for weeks now. Everybody I tell you, mind your business. When uno me not give a fuck how much money you have. When you come from certain things, stick to where your blood clot know. You will never be a Jamaican. They're going to take your money and listen to you because you have blood clot money. You see how it started a couple weeks ago? Them start class you. Now you want careless and make blood clot people are class you. One thing with Jamaican people, you know, we could have broken blood clot hungry. You know more than we. Hey! Nikki, you careless one. Can me tell you? They that type of boxer that say mind your business and leave these people alone. Because them careless. Now you look bigger careless, you have certain credentials and sit down amongst them. But not gonna lie. I don't know if I true you just did argue with Jay-Z a couple of weeks ago about the Super Bowl thing and you try to stay away from your Yankee them, you know, but better you go to Trinidad with your Trinidadian. Big up them. Stick with them. I see you on Trinidad killer do something. Cause this careless the blood clot. Me not lie. Yo, Uno, hey, Uno don't know say you can't. Remember say Nikki you did there with Safari, you know. Safari don't qualify as a real Jamaican, you know. Remember say Safari grandmother, grandfather, whoever Jamaican, and not even Safari not even have a good Jamaican accent still. They understand me born here, but you know me grow up Jamaica. Straight immigrant parents. So it's a difference. You understand? So you still not qualify for really up in it. Them people they licky. Right now, the whole of them are gonna come out and want to beat me for my opinion. I don't give a fuck. Nikki, you move careless. So now you did not go send money to Pretty Dan. So you know you're upon the vice, so basically Pretty Dan and Blam Dem talk about illegal activities. And after the money she did not talk about, you know, I never the pranking blood clotting, you know. The only reason Blam Dem have the address card, him supposed to send a work to her. That's what the advice note them say, you know. Me don't know what Uno get when a street code. So when you see them voice note, they hear them voice note, that's the only reason him get the address. Because work did supposed to send off. Now when you hear certain argument and you know, why you are getting involved in that? No pretty that I say you did a try basically PR off. I guess you save Blam Dem. Where you know Blam Dem from? No, Nikki, I move careless. Careless the blood clot, me not lie. God, me don't know what go on with you. Me don't know if you're breed. Me don't know if you're man outside. Because you talk about man in a house and pussy tight. Nobody of your caliber mix and mingle with we. We want a Jamaican people who are up there top tier now mixing a blood clot TikTok bangarang. Eh? Nobody wear Jamaican top tier right now. I mix it up. Love it too, babe. I mix it up Jamaican bangarang. Look at you now. Me tell you now. You see, when you cuss destiny, let me tell you why you get to with cuss destiny. Because Jamaican people face, you know, them licky still. But let me tell you why you get to with cussing destiny. I true destiny fuck with everybody. I true destiny fuck with everybody. Everybody love bother. Oh, Nicki Minaj. I don't give a fuck who is who out here. Me rate who rate me, respect who respect me. I love her music. But let's just be honest. Like I said, someone from our own community couldn't sit over there like that with you. With them. So in a way, it's like a puppy show thing. Right now, you drop gift and I use them a live entertainment because them licky. They're like little fucking puppets. Because Jamaican people licky. Not all of us. Not all of us. Because I don't give a fuck about no blood clot lion. That's outside Jamaica, Queens. We come from same place, Nikki. Yeah, man. Because I used to par with some of my people them back in the day. You're always in the Jamaican community still, so I can't really take that from you. You're always their own yard people. Big up yourself. So I'm not going to really take that from you. But there's a time and a place, man. You drop your gifts and go. You turn full-time TikTok and Nicki me afraid. You over there know me didn't know. The destiny thing now, me say, yeah, you gonna get to it. Because destiny fuck with enough people. Everybody did want somebody big. Tell destiny to shut the fuck up and name something there. They did kind of cute. But them did. But at the end of the day, this don't make no sense. No. Pretty done. Even yesterday when Blam Dem a do fuckery, Nikki in the comments a type to blood clot. I was so disappointed. When Blam Dem said, me fear show now, give me bookings. You want to hear about me, Blam Dem gonna perform. All that fuckery song that we and Blam Dem make. I just the truth in Nikki on our fan them. Or don't hate me, I don't have no problem with that. I just thought the truth. That's why enough people not gonna like me. A fuckery song. Hey, a fuckery song. But not even want Queen in our feelings because I pure fuckery. A real Jamaican have to make a real Jamaican song. Let's just be honest. Nikki, Jamaican accent is fuckery. Let's be honest. We can't, even when you draw for all of the Jamaican girl and forgot on the track, me don't know who vex, cause the song did alright, but it wasn't spectacular. I thought you would have gave the Jamaican females a bigger push. You know, nobody don't like when me blood clot talk, you know. Nobody don't like when me talk. You guys say me hate on me, bro. Yeah, me broke compared to Nikki. Me broke when me compared to Nikki, so the most of the can say, oh, Nikki have her money. Me, my belly blood clot full. One thing me never grudge a girl. She's supposed to rich. She got through hard time. Remember when Nicki Minaj used to dress up as a dyke at Jamaica Queens? We come from the same part, same place. As a stud. Yeah, man. Them time the CD I sell on Jamaica Avenue. No girl can style me. I mean, not style her, you know. But just get back to yourself, Nikki. Get back to yourself. I don't like this for you. Me not like this. Like, me say it, you know. Lord, the Jamaican TikTokers, them. Now look how this fucking look. Maybe stop run joke now. We could have heard say Blam Dem are Pretty Dan dead. We could have heard say if nothing could have come out right. If Pretty Dan did bust off clip on him, and dead, nothing would have come out. There would have been another dead body in the community. I would have said Blam Dem kid wouldn't even know. Well, Blam Dem would have get catch car. Him never know so pretty than have cameras of them unalive her. When somebody dead know what we was all gonna do? Go do what? Right, condolences? Like Naya? Like Bussed? Then gonna drop a few gifts to the family? Gonna drop some money? What was Una going to do? How is this fucking cool? How does this make sense? Eh? How it makes sense? Me keep on said for weeks. About 3 weeks in a row now, two sick TikTokers then. Nikki, so one next one I beg cartel for help because she need kidney or some kind of kidney something. 2 TikTokers in 3 weeks passed away. The guy with the thing in his nose, I think his name was Khalif, and another one, the one with the tumor named Fierce. Why you can't throw a lion upon them? Why the TikTokers they were you a par with can't say, yo, come over here, sir? Eh? Why the TikTokers where you a par with can't say, come Nikki? Because them love add everybody for your gift them and everybody a friend. No, who no like who? Everybody a play kumbaya for Nicki Minaj. Gift them. So why you not see them TikToker they were sick or really need help? If you want to help the Jamaican community. Because right now, hey, you salt your fuck. Me not give a fuck and nobody can do me blood clot, nothing. Sometimes we have to checkmate ourselves. Sometimes we have to sit on our own accountability. Couple months well done, me sit down and say, I don't want to be seen as the rest of TikTokers them. Because one minute a TikToker. You not hear me say stop on blood clot roses. Me as a girl, me I gonna get it by any means blood clot necessary. I mean, I want no girl out here feel like them can do something for me. Me miss the Jamaican them when it broke on bossy. Me miss the Jamaican them. All you could have $60 million and Jeff Bezos if you try to style them answer back your blood clot. Me miss them Jamaican culture there. Huh? That's what me miss. You see, when everything are clout and when the celebrities run out on clouting things, it's strange to me. You not do it from your heart. That means if the person a regular person, you wouldn't see them. You wouldn't see them at all if they're a regular person. What's strange to me is there's a lot of sick people in the same Jamaican community on TikTok. Only can't help them. But I guess them not negative. You see, when Candy come out the other day, me not too much in her she either, them just weird. But me not have a problem with her. You see, when she come out and say Nicki Minaj, I give all of the mix up them. But she wasn't the one to say that either. Like somebody's going to say me for shut the fuck up too. Because she's in the mix up business. They create that atmosphere over there. So then it's going to come off as bad mind. But real talk. Welcome to the sick people them. Welcome to the sick people them. 1 minute you tell them to stop arguing, and the next minute you are the cause of the argument. You say, oh, it's Blam Dem time. When you say Blam Dem time, that means you tell Blam Dem for activate for cuss people. When nobody disrespect you, you make Blam Dem cuss them and go on. Then you stop who you want to stop. I knew you were going to get caught up in the fucking matrix. Y'all got to understand, culture, stick to your fucking culture. I don't care how much you think. If you never go on a garrison and sleep in a sponge bed, walk blood clot barefoot, and experience certain things as a Jamaican, yam dumpling and blood clot butter, dip bread in a syrup, you're not going to understand certain things. You know me yet about Jamaica, because I'm born a foreign. With it, yo, Jamaican people, when me I grow up, me say them proud of the bossiest set of blood clot people in the world. Me don't care what nobody say. And when you grow up in a one room and a 20 and a one room clean, get up floor polish, not a dirt. Big up yourself. Bossy. All hungry and blood clot bossy too. Or sometimes hungry and blood clot kill with mother and we don't know. She just drink water. She feed we and drink water and got her blood clot bed. Now beg her soul. You see she go dig up couple blood clot yam, some yam and go down a Carnation market at town and go sell. Remember good now? That's why I'm tired to tell people I when I'm born, yes, I'm not the same. I see my mother have style. I see my mother run taxi as a woman in Jamaica. Yo, we did bossy, bro. We never want to handle. We never take things from people. We never kiss the ass. We're not so afraid. We can't stand up for what is right. I mean, didn't know, you know. Fuck, we did not go on, you know, but we never expect it to happen so fast. Mind you, the day pretty done, you fuck up now. So let me tell you where you fuck up now. The day when Destiny come on the live and Nicki Minaj reach for your live, right? You did over there and I say, oh, I spice of my queen. Ray, ray, ray. This and that. Ray, ray, ray. And I tell it over there, I do you not done. And I say, yo, fuck Rosalie. Da da da. And we did with you. We did with you. We did have your 100 blood clot %. We did with you. But you see when Nicki Minaj come up on the blood clot life pretty done, your whole tune change. I say blood clot. Done frightened. Then you start get mad and you start telling about you and Nicki Minaj, a friend from long time, Ray, Ray, Ray. This and that, Ray, Ray, Ray. Remember good now? Man, you say, I blame them and Rosalie and Nikki are par, you know. Them are the one them were par, you know. Remember good now? That's why me always rate Shabada too. Because when she go over Shabada, well, I'm Indian. When she go over Shabada, and she said, let me ask you a question. Like she think Shabada did go dep on some mix-up thing when she dep on the live. That's why I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I always rate Shabada, one blood clot Shabada. Him different. Because you see him don't give a fuck who you is. Him gonna big you up. Him gonna say what him want to say. Him don't give a fuck who is who, where them come from, and him gonna remain in bomber clot self. Someone don't know himself. A good man. And when she said that's all you want to ask me, she thought Shabada was gonna be mixed up. Because Una mix up. Una mix up and it, right now Nicki Minaj live entertainment puppets, but I know it's going to backfire because Jamaican people cannot tame. The one they were there on live and I scream out them throat, I cuss each other every day, I talk about them pitney, I talk about something them mother, them can't tame. And me know say Nicki Minaj should go end up right here, sir. And if Pretty Don go to the right fucking people, this can go to another fucking level when Nicki Minaj not even supposed to die in her. Let's be honest. You're not supposed to dare in none of them bangarang. But nobody now gonna tell you because you have money. Nobody now gonna tell you Nikki because you have money. Me don't have a problem with her. You say I love Nikki though. I don't have a problem with her. But sometimes they need to hear truth. Me don't really kiss ass. And me don't do tap on roses. So them can't say me bad mind no blood clot gift. And there's nobody in this world that I want to be or hang out with. Everybody can fuck off. Because in a real life, a lot of them going through shit. The more money you have, the more blood clot problem here. And that me I tell you. The more money you have, the more problem you have. As a happy girl, you think me a millionaire and go sit down in a job. Me! Tomorrow's me third blood clot millionaire. Who do not see me on TikTok? I make fake page. What more validation from the Jamaican community for? Eh? We can have millions that sit up on Jamaican TikTok where people, not even say Jamaican TikTok, sit down with people who sit down and cuss each other every day brawling. I saw my life blood clot sad. I saw me dead for entertainment. Nikki, better you go fuck out you all and breathe again to blood clot and make a next bomber clot, baby. I better you do that. Come and see, I tell the girl, say, your pussy tight, nice and right. You're not supposed to there. In a them bangarang there. You understand what I say? Enough people not gonna like my message, but that's how it go. Them are gonna say, you know, I'm a bad mind and I'm jealous and honestly, none of that shit moves me because I don't give a fuck. But what is the purpose? You can't go up on a live and really sit down and hold a meds with some genuine fucking people. Better you go sit down with your fan them or something, but this ain't it, and I knew it wasn't gonna be it. You see, when I woke up this morning, what she's working for TikTok, when the gorillas I work, she work. What the fuck are you saying work she working? TikTokers is working. TikTokers are working. What do you mean she's working? What would you ever see Beyonce on the fucking app in the Jamaican community? Huh? Ask yourself that. Would you see Beyonce? What A-class American top celebrity you would see? Matter of fact, there would be on their live and everybody come on their live. What are you saying? How you going to tell me about work what? Working what? That's what's wrong with y'all ignorant. How you going to tell me still don't get it? What me still don't? No, you don't get it. What a top celebrity you going to see insert themselves in the Jamaican community full of fucking argument that have brands? Make it make sense. Let's talk about it. Couple of weeks ago, she and Jay-Z, she cussed off the Super Bowl thing and step on Jay-Z. Better she keep on arguing with them with the Little Wayne situation. And she said what she said, she keep it moving. She never in on a bangarang. That's with Uno now. Uno not like for your truth. No, you're coming. What are you benefiting in the Jamaican community? When they can benefit from the Jamaican them? The one who sit on them and a blood clot argue. And she do a lot of good for people. The only thing right now what I see is a lot of, you can come off from a blood clot page, you know, I'm gonna give a fucking loud, you know, I'm loud, but always blood clot loud. But ask you anything? Did I ask you your opinion? You are gonna tell me still don't get it. What you're saying doesn't make sense. Would you see Beyonce in the Jamaican community? Would you see Diddy insert himself in the Jamaican community? Eh? Not even Busta Rhymes who have Jamaican background. I go sit down with one bag of mix up TikToker. What are you saying? What are you saying? When Cartel go live, you ever see Cartel go sit up on nobody blood clot live yet? Eh? You notice when Cartel go live, Cartel go for a film blood clot live, and him really add people? Eh? You think Cartel not say all the bangarang were going out here? You think him don't know everybody? That's with Uno. When people talk shit that makes sense, who try to defend it? Make what? Do what? Work how she working. She's a fucking multi-millionaire who works she work. So the Jamaican them hire her over TikTok? And that you tell me. So the Jamaican people over TikTok hire Nicki Minaj for work. Them can blood clot help Nicki Minaj? Or is the Jamaicans that are arguing helping her? The only thing me see it help Destiny. Destiny reach over Tasha K. Because Nicki Minaj cuss her. And she a trans. Right now, people know Destiny now. And the Yankee side now. So outer work she work. You should could have introduced everybody, all our American people them to the blood clot Yankee them. The American people are not ever gonna look at the people, Jamaican people cussing each other like that as content. That's Jamaican fucking content. Remember, I work with Queen Slip on the American side of networking. Make it make sense. That's why when these apps shut down, they have nothing after this. That's why the Jamaicans don't reach anywhere. Because they close-minded in a fucking circle. That's why they don't really elevate. That's why they only could host parties. That's it. House parties, do what? What else them can do? Go in a Jamaican video. What else them can do? The real ones, them cross over and they get on the American side, then it's different. The ones that sit down and cuss all day and tell people suck their mother, where they reach? Where do they reach? They stay in the limits of y'all. A Jamaican get up every day a blood clot argue. And I tell people suck their mother, where do they reach? Them always have to have something going for them. After one story done, them have to make up a next story. Then another story. Then another story. Then another story. Till people get tired of them. Then you have somebody come, well, Blam Dem just to the other day. Blam Dem knock every mama blood clot off of them foot. Blam Dem water down every mama blood clot. And the biggest thing why he was able to do so is because no one knew him at first. Everything have a time. Everything have an expiration date. Especially with Jamaican people, because you guys are so close-minded. Because we know negativity is selling. That's what you solely endorse off of. You guys don't try to say, all right, me get this type of money, me have a little name, let me see what we can do from here. We can build myself, we can build a brand. Let me see how we can cross over, to step outside of my circle, to make other people know my name. So nobody can tell me nothing. Me not like excitement. Me not like people. That's the thing, we're so fucking close-minded. Whoever have the most followers now is right. Who have the most money, they win. That's what y'all live by now. No, me no want to really say this, you know. Because me say this, me I go offend that person, yeah. The internet I go come down for me. Oh, that person, yeah, she have too much followers. Them I go rush me. I don't give a fuck. I will always have my opinion about shit. That's with Uno now. Nobody don't want to stand up for nothing again. Jamaican people, the time for telling them, say, yo, when me look on the American side and the Jamaican side, I've always been so proud of how blunt Jamaican people were, how direct they were, how you couldn't buy them out. Oh, no matter what, dollar in a them blood clot pocket, them have them integrity. That shit is out the window now. That shit is out the window. Y'all don't pay attention to the message. Y'all pay attention to the messenger. The other day, me see how them try walking Queenie into a rat trap. And bad to bad when them say Queenie mad, Queenie have blood clot sense. When them start talk about the song. And them ask about the song for provoke her. Me not no money. I have my card in my yard. My hungry bite me. I have a cap up here. What am I gonna have? What time now? 11 o'clock. What am I gonna eat? Yeah. You see how hungry they will figure everything. Anyway, yeah. Guys, big up on yourself. Cause you see me, that me see. This is what I saw. That's why I come live. I gotta get a burger or something. What if I'm doing next to cook out? Watch here. If I wanted Nicki money or cared about it, when she asked for my account number when I was crying about to report the matter after it happened, I would have most definitely took it. I was offered money more than 3 times and I didn't send no account number. So how am I mad over people money? Everyone can go live and lie, but I'm dealing with the police. I have all the texts with you offering me money and asking for my bank account, so don't try me. Look at that. Nikki, where you getting on a blood clot bangarang ya for now? Hey, Nikki? Oh, you're reaching at a bangarang. Where you know a Blam Dem from? Right now, remember, say, Nikki, your husband a bad man from... remember, I told you I'm from Southside Jamaica, Queens. Yeah, nigga, Southside, we outside. Everybody Everybody know your husband don't play certain fucking games, nigga. Yeah, I was blood too. So like I said, I'm on both sides. Right? You're not supposed to date them bangarang, ya, Nikki. Cannot blame them did honor life. Pretty done. And them going on your blood cut our phone and see them message there. You see how you could have get caught up? This shit don't look good, bro. Low out the Jamaicans. Go help the Jamaican them who build house. Go help the Jamaican them who sick. Because all these motherfuckers is doing is getting worse. Everybody's unaliving themselves. Each other. Disrespect is at an all-time high. You're not helping. Look at this shit. If somebody would have dead now, well, what you did, I go say, well, I'm going to donate money to the family. So that means she basically was telling you what Blam Dem did and you wanted to give her money. That shit don't look good. Why you entertaining Blam Dem when he's talking shit over there? If me did a Blam Dem friend, that's why I'm going to come live and say it. Would I tell Blam Dem to stop the fuckery and come down, stay off for the people them bumbleclot internet right now. Stay off for the people them bumbleclot internet right now. Him a do peer fuckery and you in the comments a laugh. That shit is crazy. Come on. That nigga went to a woman's house. That's why I said the other day I hear y'all live talking about Rosalie. And y'all start cursing out each other, going to levels. And the most important thing, let Rosalie deal with the police. Order to shot the whole thing. Make Rosalie deal with the police. Then them nearly mix you up again because them all act like them are seeing that everybody cuss them one another. Everybody bring them pitney down. I want to not go stop though. Come and keep on to ask the question there. When the right person have a dead phone to stop? And then I talk about prank. This ain't no fucking prank. That wasn't no prank. If it was a prank, Blam Dem would have had on the ski mask from the beginning because y'all would have had to post it. That wasn't no prank. You know, say pretty done have the phone up and not even expect you to walk up on her. That wasn't no prank. That wasn't a fucking prank. And she a woman too. Me not give a fuck how she brawling out here. If Popcorn never beat Blood Clot Pretty Done, why not go Pretty Done house and threaten her with gun for? Pop that Popcorn at aisle. Well, you fling pan blood clot liquor. I don't know, say Popcorn box down boy a road plenty of time. Because you know what? Social media get to on the head. Numbers. Social media get to on the head and start get the hype. I'm telling you, you know. Blam Dem, you become an official TikToker like the rest of them. The same one them we are cause you just fall into the trap with them. And now you see what it is because they get a high. Start to feel like they're untouchable. But your tactics was good because nobody knew your face. But we all have to remember there's always going to be somebody that knows somebody. And when somebody knows somebody that means your identity is eventually going to be revealed. And when it's revealed now, what are you going to do? Then what? Because everybody want clout, you know. Everybody think it easy to get up on a thing and show your face and people have opinions, you know. For you can't sit down somewhere in a piece, somebody might see and feel like them vex with you to rather unalive, you know. Make a real blood clot conversation. Remember good now? This don't make no sense. At first, when I see Nikki over there, I say, all right. She has said, oh, I want to stop argue. I want to stop fight and this and that. I thought you were really trying to, change their content. It only gets worse by the hour. Now they're fighting over you gifting them one another. Now the argument is who know Nicki Minaj and who don't know Nicki Minaj and who know her longer, who don't know her longer. And if somebody says something, opinion against Nicki, the whole of the internet come running upon her. And my back blood clot brought, so I don't give a fuck is either me look or me don't blood clot look. That's what it is now. When them wouldn't let them own a person from Jamaica, where born and grow, parents of Jamaica come in and control a type of narrative like that. You see what them do, Ramesh do? Remember say Ramesh did good, I'm a give out gift. And him a give out money. And him a do this and him a do that. And instead of one time him go fuck up now. And the night there, let me tell you, me believe in a road code. Right? And let me tell you why Ramesh should have to do that stance there. Let me tell you why Ramesh should have to make an example out of TJ. I've never spoke about the situation before until last night. Let me tell you why Ramesh had to make that example. You see, when you get around people and you're a person of status and you start make people come around you and them get comfortable, they will start disrespect you. They will start to size up with you. They will see themselves as peers. And they will start to disrespect you. You understand? Even if me have a certain thing I go on, and me have somebody who I work with me, you can't disrespect who I work with me either. Because they're running my business is my money. The only thing I would never agree with more you're getting boxed down or whatever the fuck happened. Like I said, she's a female. And I feel like TJ put her in that position. As a man, you should not realize, say, your woman dead there. And anything that you do as a real man is going to affect her in that moment. So you know what Ramesh should have to do? He did have to set an example. Because you see, if he did let one TikToker blood clot disrespect him, the rest of them did not go start do it. So that was his way for sure. Cause regular thing, jungle justice, everybody get beaten. And the Lisa come out and say she get beaten. Everybody get beaten, a regular Jamaican order. But him never expected. But social media puts a light on a lot of things now. And then Maya get involved now as a female. So we're not going to take that. Them people I get beaten a long time. People I get beaten in a business long time. So when him goes so now, I threw him off to make a stance. Do I agree with it? But I did box him down himself or whatever. But him did have to take a stance. Him never expected to go so far. Because when you start sizing up with people, or you start being friendly with people, it leads to disrespect sometimes. And he knew if he let that pass, the rest of TikTokers, them did not go disrespect him too. Remember, Sir Ramesh is good when he might give to everybody, everybody good and dandy, money I run, everybody exchange back gift and this and that, and ray. So then them start feel like, say, we are quabs. Then them start feel like we can say certain things or do certain things. Then them start feel like them are part of something, your thing. I thought that by now, they was gonna start dissing up Nicki Minaj, which a little people here and there, candidate come out Diamond Angular. The dynamic of the argument was amazing to me. Because it was real rubbings. Diamond did real rubbings. Because Diamond's not a TikToker. I keep telling people that were established before TikTok and come over there, I will never see them as TikTokers. They're just using the social media to promote their business. I will never call them a TikToker. These are people that really have substance. If the app shut down, they still have substance. They still have a skill. They still have ways to make money, and they've been doing this shit for years. Diamond's not a TikToker. So when she rub up Candy now, it sweet me. Then we see Nikki run over there and start send Diamond a gift them. And I said, you know what? The message is funny as fuck and being petty. But at the same time, you're helping cause havoc in a war zone. A never-ending war zone. Same thing with Candy. I don't know her, but what I observe is like, she feels she's entitled where she's supposed to as an entertainer on TikTok, like she's supposed to be on certain levels and this and that. You have to know if you pick your own battles. But why I'm going to tell you, I give Candy a little ratings now. Because even though it was Nicki Minaj, she spoke her opinion. Called Nicki Minaj name. And say what she a blood clot say. All when she knows so the whole of the internet to go tear her blood clot down. She stand her bumper clot ground. We have a whole bunch of followers. That was her opinion. That was her fucking opinion. But it's the messenger. Then though we got, then who come out now again now? Like me say, Destiny just a default. Destiny fuck around with everybody. So everybody did happy if you see Destiny get robbed. That's what they were happy about. But this now, this looks strange. And I don't like it. But anyway, wanna big up on yourself.